I'm Abigail Donnelly, and I am here with the fabulous Mokgadi Itsweng, who I'm going to introduce to you as one of the judges on our panel for the 2022 Eat Out Restaurant Awards. We are so excited to have you on board at Eat Out.
I'm so excited to be here.
And I think I know the industry will love having you, and just to bring your personality and your experience of eating out.
Yes.
So for people who don't know who you are, tell us what you do.
Okay. So I'm a chef, I'm a food activist, food justice activist.
Love that word.
I
want to
be one. I'm food editor, so food writer. I love eating out.
Yeah.
But mostly what I do now is advocacy work for the Chef's Manifesto and the UN. So I'm that person that reminds people to eat well and to think of Mother Nature wherever they are. Whatever you do, whatever food choices we make now actually impact on our future.
That's amazing, because that's so much what you can bring to Eat Out as well on our scorecard.
Yes.
Is where the produce comes from, how it was cared for. Mokgadi, what are you really excited about? Because we're excited to have you on board.
I'm excited to see what's out there now, because so much has happened.
Yes.
And everyone has moved towards a climate smart kitchen, climate smart way of using ingredients. I get excited with new ingredients.
Yeah.
If someone says, I've got this new ingredient, do you want to try it? I don't care what it is. Yes, I'm there.
Yeah.
I want to try it out.
So if you see an indigenous heritage ingredient when you're judging, you are going to be really excited.
I'm very, for me, because
so the industry out there, just listen to that.
Because for me, it shows a certain consciousness from the chef.
Yeah.
Because indigenous ingredients, not only are they good for the planet and good for us, but it also shows that you as a chef have gone further.
Thank you for saying yes, and for your enthusiasm and your passion for this industry. And I'm going to learn so much from you, so I'm really excited.
I can't wait to really be a part of this amazing team and to work with you guys at Eat Out.
So fabulous.
Thank you.
Thank you.